You know, how much Doritos is too much Doritos? A wise man once asked, and he got stoned to death. We are in for a, a fucking disaster. Cautious for this video. Well, boom, this is the Doritos and Mountain Dew smoothie. Enough talking. Let's just crack open this bad boy. Yeah, here's your Doritos. Okay, and we're just gonna, just put that in there. Shit. Here we go. You know, how much Doritos is too much Doritos? A wise man once asked, and he got stoned to death. So I think that's enough. Let's give it a taste test. I mean, it's fucking Doritos, you know? You can't go wrong with it. Here's our Mountain Dew. Let's give the Mountain Dew a taste test. And you know, it's Mountain Dew. Disgusting. But anyway, let's go ahead and give that a pour. We let's go ahead and give that a shake. That's concerning. And let's go ahead and give it a blend. Come on. You know, that's like water. I think we need to add some more Doritos to it. Jesus, why does it open like that? Whoa, it's smoking. That should be enough. Just knocking over shit. Give that another shake and it's smoothie time. All right, let's ew. Why does it emit a powder when you open it? It's like mustard gas. Let's give it a pour. Oh, okay. Here's what it looks like. I don't know why it's emitted bubbles and stuff. Let's This is fucking disgusting. I don't want to fucking drink this shit. You know what? You only live once. Let's give it a taste test. Jesus Christ, boy, I do not want to do this. Let's give it a taste test. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Just turn up the 0 out of 10, turn the whole fucking shit off.